and Order 41 and 51. With your kind permission, may I proceed?
Yeah, proceed.
Okay. Mr. President, Order 1B reads, in all cases not provided for in this standing order or by seasonal or other orders or practice of the Senate shall by resolution regulate its procedure. And Order 41 and 51 are matters of urgent public importance. Mr. President, standing on these very important orders, I wish to draw the attention of the Senate to a recent social media reportage that alluded to the fact that Mr. Senate President is dead.
What is
in London? That you are dead in the London hospital.
Who? You?
That the Senate President the number 3 citizen of Nigeria.
Senator Zam, because I thought I heard you say you are dead. If you are dead, how come you are here?
That is the more reason why I have to bring this matter to the... No, this is a very serious matter. Number 3 citizen of Nigeria. Because it's not only you that was reported in this negative manner. The former head of state, General Gowon, was equally reported a few days ago to have died. This is not a good report about the leaders of our country. And there is the urgent need for us to put machinery in order to not just investigate, but to punish the promoters of such negative news about the leaders of this country. When sanctions are meted out against the promoters of such negative report about our leaders, it will serve as a deterrent to anybody who engages in such an infamous and dangerous act against the leadership of our democracy and our country. So I want to crave the indulgence of my colleagues to support that this matter be taken up seriously with a view to sanctioning those who are behind this. The social media promoters of negative information can be traced and they be punished. I so move, my distinguished colleagues. Thank you very much.
It came under Order 42, which does not need any exhaustive deliberations. So I would say that your point of order is sustained. However, you have to know it's not only politicians that they make these reports about. Somebody was telling me that they showed a burial ceremony of a business tycoon when the person is not dead, and they also said the former head of state, General Gowon, is dead when he was alive, attending the last Christmas carol. And I don't know. I think the advisor, the DSS, to investigate. Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. That is it. I think that's all we can do. You can't stop people from writing. You know, the internet is garbage in, garbage out. So you can't stop people from putting in garbage. Yes, Leader of the Senate.